If hashtags are not showing up on your post, then make sure you stick till this video till the end, because I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why that may happen. Now, whether your hashtags are not showing up on the post itself, or the second thing could be that they are not showing up on the hashtag section on the top. If it is not showing on the hashtag section on the top, it may be because your account is private. Private accounts hashtags will not be promoted because those private accounts would not be viewable to other people. So if that is the case, you need to switch back to a public account. You can do that by tapping on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, tap on privacy, and you can toggle this off if it is toggled on for you. Now, if it is not showing up on the post itself, you may have used a hashtag that is not available or that is banned on Instagram. So that if that is the case, those hashtags would not show up. So make sure that you search for the appropriate hashtag that is available on Instagram. And the last thing that I suggest you to do is you can just uninstall the Instagram app, because this could also happen due to a simple glitch or a bug in the system. So you can just uninstall Instagram and you can download the Instagram app. What this will do is it will give you the updated version or the latest version of the app as well, which will help to clear out any bugs or glitches which may be causing that issue. So those are the few things that you can try out in order to fix Instagram hashtags not showing on the post. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.